Here's where Hedera price could go this new week. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Hedera, this is the place for you. As of April 21st, 2026, the total market cap is $3.94 billion with a change of plus 2.61% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.09038. The 24-hour trading volume is $94.54 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.32 billion with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. Hbar ranks 25 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.09122. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.088242. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Hedera is up 2.56% to $0.0910 in 24 hours, slightly outperforming a broader market that rose 1.38%, primarily driven by a fresh inflow into its U.S. spot ETF. The move aligns with a market-wide rebound fueled by institutional ETF demand and a squeeze on leveraged short positions. Spot ETF inflow catalyzes buying. Canary's Hedera ETF recorded a $1.35 million net inflow on April 20th, 2026. This direct institutional demand, though modest, provides a tangible catalyst for buying pressure in a thin market, contributing to the day's outperformance. What it means? Institutional accumulation, even in small sizes, can disproportionately impact prices for mid-cap assets like Hbar, validating its spot in the growing altcoin ETF landscape. Watch for continuity of these inflows in the coming days to confirm sustained institutional interest, broad market beta, and selective altcoin demand. Hbar's rise occurred alongside a 1.75% gain in Bitcoin, driven by $238 million in daily spot Bitcoin ETF inflows. The broader market rebound was amplified by a liquidation of $268 million in leveraged short positions, forcing rapid buybacks. What it means? Hbar benefited from a generalized risk-on move, but its slightly stronger performance suggests it captured a share of the capital specifically rotating into altcoins with active ETF products, like XRP and Solana. Near-term market outlook. Technically, Hbar is testing the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement resistance at $0.0911. The immediate trigger is the persistence of ETF flows. If the price holds above the 50% FIB level at $0.0897, the next target is the recent swing high at $0.0958. A breakdown below the 7-day simple moving average at $0.0885 would invalidate the bullish structure and risk a return to the $0.0836 to $0.0885 consolidation zone. What it means? The short-term bias is cautiously bullish, contingent on holding key support. Watch for a daily close above $0.0911 to confirm breakout momentum. Cautiously bullish Hbar's 24-hour gain is supported by a clear ETF catalyst and favorable market wins, though its trend remains fragile within a longer-term downtrend. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Enterprise adoption and council growth, bullish impact. Hedera's price is closely tied to utility milestones and enterprise integration. The network's governing council, including members like Google, IBM, and recent addition McLaren Racing, provides institutional credibility and drives real-world use cases. Key growth areas include real-world asset, RWA, tokenization, where the network has processed over $10 billion in settlements, and AI development with the launch of Hedera Agent Lab in March 2026. Each new council member or live enterprise use case represents a potential long-term demand sink for Hbar, used for network fees and staking. Successful scaling in RWA or AI could transition Hbar's valuation from speculation to utility-based metrics, providing a firmer price floor and upside during adoption cycles. Regulatory clarity and ETF prospects. Regulatory developments present both a potential catalyst and a risk. The anticipated Clarity Act, with Senate markup targeted for late April 2026, could provide favorable U.S. regulatory clarity, BMINDO. Concurrently, the Canary Capital Hbar ETF has already launched, accumulating $93.21 million in assets by early 2026, creating a direct channel for institutional capital. Positive regulatory news could reduce an overhang of uncertainty and be immediately bullish. ETF inflows represent tangible buying pressure. However, regulatory setbacks or delays could stall institutional participation. keeping Hbar reliant on retail sentiment and broader crypto market cycles. Can Hbar sustain above $0.0911 Canadian with continued ETF inflows, or will it revert to its prior range? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer. This video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hbar, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.